Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use your UCard at Walmart. Start by opening the Walmart website in your browser. Once the Walmart homepage is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see the word Account. Click on it. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select the Main Account option. This will take you to your personal account page. When you are on your account page, look for the section called Wallet. The Wallet section is where Walmart lets you add and manage your payment methods. Click on Wallet. The Wallet page may show your current cards or payment options. What you need to find here is the option to add a benefit card. The UCard is a benefit card, so this is the place where it must be added. Click on the option to add a benefit card. A form will appear asking for details. The website will ask for information such as the card number, the name on the card, and sometimes the expiration date or security code, depending on the type of UCard you have. Take your time and enter each detail carefully. After you enter your UCard details, confirm the information by selecting the Save or Add button. When it appears in your wallet as a payment method, you are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.